Who installed this?
I don't know.
You don't know who installed this? They're trying to kill everyone in the house?
Just like it. Oh, damn, it's open.
Yeah, they're trying to kill everyone in the house?
Oh my God.
Hi.
How are you?
Here for the hot water.
Yeah, how is the basement? I'm coming.
Basement, you're coming? Okay. You got the key?
Huh?
You got the key?
No, not key. There's somebody inside. Hold up.
Oh.
Somebody inside. Hold on. You need to part. Somebody.
How old is this water heater?
Huh?
How old is the water heater?
Oh. Water?
How old is the water heater I'm here for? No English?
I don't understand what.
Okay. English?
Yeah, English.
Okay. How old is the water heater?
Oh, water heater is not for a year, like 1 month or like that.
It's a month old?
Like 1 month.
Who installed it?
1 month or 1.5 months, like that.
Oh.
Yeah. My uncle. You wanna talk to him?
No, I want to see the water heater. It's only 9 o'clock in the morning. Wakey, wakey. Did I wake you up?
Uncle. ये दरजा ना कोई खुले ना तो चाबी दे तो ठीक है बना कारण प्राइवेट से अच्छा मैं फोन और बाप पे फोन दी Oh, yeah. The water machine is coming there, checking the it's changing. Somebody is here? Thank you.
Where's the water heater?
Yeah, I just show you. Wanna come?
Sí.
Okay.
Hi.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, it's not room for both of us.
Okay, you go first.
Thank you. Let's see what's going on here. Put that out of the way. Let's turn this bad boy on. Here's the blower. Wow. Who installed this? Who installed this?
I don't know.
You don't know who installed this? They're trying to kill everyone in the house?
Just like it. Oh, damn, it's open.
Yeah, they're trying to kill everyone in the house?
Oh my God.
Yeah, really? Oh my God. Let's go see how this vents outside. Now, I ain't a rocket scientist. I'm just a licensed master plumber, but damn, you trying to kill everyone in that house? Damn, look at this. All right, so here is our, wow, look at this. All right, I'm not even sure that's connected to anything. This fresh air. There's the, wow. Unbelievable. And and we'll get the job done. And that's what Pipe Doctor Home Services accomplishes on every single service call. I don't care about making the priority, fixing the issue. My number one priority, and my company's number one priority, is ensuring the the safety of the occupants of the home, the structure. That is my number one priority. That is why my company, we do a combustion analysis every time we're dispatched to a heating service call, right? We use our eyes and they listen with our ears, and we get a full diagnosis of what's going on. If you are tired of dealing with your mediocre plumbing or HVAC contractor, call Pipe Doctor. We're based in Valley Stream, New York. We're opening up soon in Hilton Head, South Carolina, and in Florida. 516-348-6300. Email me for any YouTube-related social media inquiries at mike@mikeypipes.com, or for any service call, service issues, and service requests of that nature, mike@pipedoc.net. Thank you so much for tuning in. Until next time, be well, God bless, and this family's now going to be safe.